Aviation, the leader in drone pilot training, has also introduced a state-of-the-art agri-spraying unit. Eliminating the dependency on the farmers for water and reducing the toil for searching for a proper water source, the truck is equipped with a 1,000-litre water tank with casing, which ensures hassle-free operations like the dilution of the pesticide. The state-of-the-art truck is highly functional, scalable, accessible and integrated with two agri-spray drones, one on the left and one on the right side. The drones have designated compartments on the exterior to avoid the stench of the pesticide. The truck is electrically sound with a fast battery charging station and a 3 kV genset. The placement, spacing, connectivity and aptness significantly boost uninterrupted operations, setting the bars for energy efficiency and sustainability. With spares, a toolkit, a foldable table, chairs and a tent caters to all the needs and comforts of the driver and the drone pilots. Staying at the forefront of technological advancements is paramount to us in providing our clients with the latest innovations in the industry.